How to build a faceless YouTube channel with AI, step by step. Ever dreamed of making money on YouTube without ever showing your face? You're not alone. And the good news, it's totally possible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel, step by step, using powerful AI tools. No camera, no microphone, no editing skills required. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to pick a profitable niche, use AI to create full videos, and grow your channel to start making real money. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. This is your foundation, so don't skip it. Some of the best faceless niches are tech and AI tools, make money online, personal finance, motivational content, and top 10 lists. Use tools like Google Trends or exploding topics to discover what's rising fast. Pick something you're curious about, because passion keeps you consistent. Step 2. Plan your content strategy. You don't need to guess. You need a system. Outline your first 10 video ideas. Think in terms of formats like how-to tutorials, list videos, tool reviews, and simple comparisons. Use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm. Just say, give me 10 faceless YouTube video ideas about AI tools, and let it work its magic. Step 3. Write your script using AI. Open ChatGPT. Type in something like, write a YouTube script for a video titled 3 AI tools that can make you $50 a day in 2025. Then tweak the script to sound like you. Make it more conversational. Add humor, questions, or little stories. Step 4. Create your voiceover. This is where Rachel, or any ElevenLabs voice, comes in. Paste in your script. Choose the Rachel voice. Adjust clarity or speed if needed. Then export your voiceover like a pro. Tip: if your niche is calm and serious, keep the voice smooth. If it's techie or hype, add more energy with sentence spacing and strong endings. Step 5. Time to bring your visuals to life. Use Pictory to turn your script into a full video fast, or manually add clips from Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks. Switch scenes every 3 to 5 seconds to keep things dynamic and viewer-friendly. Step 6. Edit your video. Even basic editing can level up your content. Use Pictory's editor, or try CapCut or DaVinci Resolve for more control. Add royalty-free background music from soundraw.io, Epidemic Sound, or YouTube's free library. Layer in subtitles. Add simple transitions. Keep it clean and clear. Step 7. Design a scroll-stopping thumbnail. This is what gets people to click. Don't take it lightly. Use Canva or thumbnail.ai. Go bold with your colors. Use 2 to 4 words. And make the text big and readable on mobile. Step 8. Upload and optimize. You're almost there. Write an SEO-friendly title. Use keywords naturally in your description. Add tags and timestamps for better visibility. Use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to research keywords and boost your ranking. Once uploaded, head into YouTube Studio. Track your metrics, especially watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. Bonus tip: monetize your channel smartly. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. But that's just the beginning. Add affiliate links, promote your digital products, or offer exclusive content through memberships. Final thoughts: with the right tools and the right mindset, you can build a faceless YouTube channel that pays you for years. Like this video, subscribe for more tips on AI, digital income, and building your own online brand. You've got this. Now go create.